These are the solar caps. Let's take a look.
These are for a variety of sizes of fence posts, so I took all the panels out and they fit perfectly. Very easy to install. You just set them right on top, and there's a one button on there that will help you decide if you want to do the daylight look or the more warm look. We chose the more warm look. Guys, I've had these on for a couple of days. We absolutely love the way they look. It is such a game changer at night. It's this beautiful, warm, ambient light. It's not invasive, I don't feel like, at all to the neighbors' houses. It just gives off this gorgeous, dreamy vibe. We felt almost like we were at a hotel. It's so beautiful. And it's just such a simple concept of putting this little light with this water ripple halo effect on. And it looks gorgeous. We can't stop looking at it at night. It gives us such an ambiance. We absolutely love these.